We've shared our process diagram and gathered feedback. Now it's time to refine it. This isn't about polishing for looks. It's about making the diagram work for us. When we refine, we're turning a rough draft into a system the team can actually use. Clear notes, clear responsibilities, and a flow that keeps work moving. Done right, it becomes more than just a diagram. It's a living resource the team can reference, update, and rely on to stay aligned and accelerate their work. In this video, we'll walk through how to apply feedback, adjust layout and formatting, and turn the draft into a polished, actionable diagram the team can use with confidence. First, let's tackle the feedback. Here's a comment from the manager suggesting we add a final review before the deliver course step. That's a great point. I'll create the step, drag it into the diagram, and have assisted layout take care of the rest. Once it's in place, I'll resolve the comment so everyone knows it's been addressed. We'll continue this process until all feedback has been resolved, keeping the diagram organized and making sure every change is intentional. Any comments received or resolved are automatically saved as a record for reference. I just wanted to point out that having assisted layout turned on from the start is a huge time saver. It's kept everything aligned within our swim lane and has maintained spacing consistently. If I need to tweak spacing between shapes, I can drag the lines between objects to add or remove that space. Once the layout looks right, I can then enhance everything and provide clarity with color. Filling swim lane bodies with white, coloring headers to distinguish roles, and adjusting shapes to reflect each role's responsibilities. By applying these formatting choices consistently, the diagram becomes intuitive, helping teammates quickly understand who owns each step along the way. When adjusting lines, use auto line routing to keep connections clean. If lines shift unexpectedly or you need custom routing though, you can turn auto line routing off and reposition them manually. Once everything looks polished, I'll update the document status to approved. That signals that the diagram is ready for the broader use. Then we'll move it into the team shared folders so anyone can access it, reference it, build upon it as the processes evolve. As a pro tip, embedding the diagram in a knowledge base or wiki page keeps it visible in context that's easy to find. And that's it. We finished our process diagram by applying feedback, tidying the layout, and making it a reliable resource the team can use. Following the steps from draft to share to refine, we now have a diagram that's clear, actionable, and easy for anyone to follow.